What's up, everybody? Today we have a 2004 Toyota Sienna and we're going to be changing the head gasket. It's my first time doing a job this big, so I'm really making these videos for me to have as reference, so it's not really a DIY. I'm not a mechanic by any means, but I do know a thing or two on how to change car parts. So I'm a little out of my depths here, but we're gonna take it one step at a time, and hopefully we don't mess anything up. First things first, I'll have the car on the ramps because I'm gonna have to get under there and disconnect the exhaust manifolds. Okay, so I'm under the car now. We're gonna need to be removing this is a exhaust manifold. We'll be removing this bolt right here. I think that's a 12 or a 10. Looks like a 10 on the shield right here. So there's one here, there's one back here, there's one up here in the back also. The two on top, so you pretty much have to use your hands to see basically where they are, and then use a small ratchet to take them off, and then take this one off. Then you're gonna have to take these off. These look like 14 millimeter nuts. The 1, 2, 3. I think there's 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 6 right here. But what I'll do first is I will remove, let's see, where is it? I'll start by removing the exhaust itself. So I'll start by removing the O2 sensor, then this bolt here, and this on this side. Then you got these two bolts. Nuts. And then the same thing over here. You got your O2, your oxygen sensor right here, and then the bolt, that nut right there, and this one here. Take it from this side. This is the firewall side, and this is the front. So we'll start by taking these off right here. So for the oxygen sensor, I have this tool right here. I got it from Harbor Freight. Just connect it to your socket, to your ratchet rather. Put it through here and then twist it. It's not normally this easy. I had to lube up the sensor and I loosened it up earlier. Then we got 14 millimeter bolts here and here. Now these two are next. That is, I think that's a 12. That's a 14 also. Since I don't have a tripod, it's gonna be it's a little tough down here to record. So what I'll do is I'm gonna set the camera down on the floor and try to position it to where it catches what I'm doing. Hopefully it gets it. I don't know what's going on here. Why aren't you coming off? It's always something, isn't it? How about now? Can you go now? Guess not. Guess I'll just continue with this. What is going on? Pause. Alright, so got one off, broke the other because it got stuck halfway through it and just wouldn't turn anymore, and it just snapped. So hopefully once I take out these here, so I take out the manifold, I'll just take the whole thing out. I see if I can drill it out or replace it somehow. I don't know. Gonna have to figure that out. But for now, I'm gonna move up here. I already loosened these, made sure they're loose. I'm still gonna put penetrating oil on here, just in case, and on here before I even try to take this off, because I don't want any more breaking studs or broken studs. This just sucks. Get the tool and the oxygen sensor. Ratchet. That wasn't too bad. Hopefully these won't also break. I'll do this a little bit of time. Get that. Do I want to hold? Yeah. That's fine. One off. Now, why couldn't the first one be this easy? Why gotta give me such a hard time and break? That was unnecessary. So now these are off. These are off. These are off. Now we go back up here. And again, I'm gonna have to re-lube these just in case, because I don't want them to break on me. I'm gonna have to try somehow. All right. So when it comes to this shield right here, can you see that? This shield. Let me get the light. That's much better. This shield, this is your friend. It's a 10mm ratcheting wrench. One here, one up here, and then one up there. You really can't see nothing up there, so you really have to rely on your hands and fingers. All right, so I'm gonna do those, and then I'll get back to y'all when I take them off. So the shield is off, and now these nuts right here, I loosened them up a little bit just to get them started. And now it's a 14mm socket. I'm not gonna take them out all the way because I'm gonna need my other hand so they don't fall and get lost. That was the creeper. That was not enough. Ah, come on. All right, I gotta figure this out. Just a sec. I need the swivel. Where is that swivel? I'm sorry, Myra, is in the way or anything else in the way? I still don't get this shit done. Ah, come on. How am I gonna do this? I'm just gonna regular ratchet. Okay, so take that off. That's loose. That's all, I think. Yeah, that's off. Let's get this one. This one was loose, supposed to be loose at least. Oh my god! Listen. Can y'all even see? I'm so sorry. Extend this too much. Why are you tightening? Come on. I really thought I loosened this. Let me figure this out because I don't want to break it. So I'll be back. Alright, so I finally managed to get that one off. What I had to do is I had to tighten this up because everything else was loose except that one. So I had to tighten this one up to level the manifold basically. Take some pressure off the bolt back there, then loosen it up and then took it off. So now everything is loose. We'll just take them off one at a time. And definitely wear some kind of eye protection when you're doing this, because right now my eyes are filled with rust. That's not fun. Two. Actually, I already took one down. This one here and that one, so it's 3, 4 off. 5. 6. So this should be. What? Why is it not loose? Oh, okay. This is this bracket right here. Oh, this arm looking thing connected here, so I'll have to loosen that or that. We'll do that. Yeah, we'll do this one. That looks like a 14 also. Let me see. So I think I'm gonna need a ratcheting wrench for this, because there's not a lot of space right here. Okay, so we got a 14mm wrench, ratcheting wrench. Okay, hold that tight. Why are you moving like that? Maybe it's a wrench. How is it going? Ratcheting wrench is ratcheting. There's a bolt, turn it back with it. Oh, I'm sorry. If I'm spending this much time on just the manifold alone, the exhaust manifold, then God knows how long is it gonna take me to do the whole thing, the whole job. Oh wow, too bad. I mean, good thing is I don't need this car to drive around. I really just bought this as a flip car. It's in good condition. except for the head gasket. So, oh my god, how long is this damn bolt? Ow, watch your head. Holy shit, that hurts. Alright, so that's off. It wasn't even connected to anything. What the hell? Okay. Alright, let me get this off my face, off my head, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so I removed this part of the exhaust. It goes right here, connects right here to the catalytic converter, to the manifold. Now it's all loose. This is ready to come out, except for there's this connector right there. Can you see right there? That needs to come off, and then this comes off. Actually, you don't even have to take off that connector back there. You can literally just take this off and set it aside. Set it aside right there. But in my case, I will have to take that off because, like I mentioned, I did break that stud and I will have to get it replaced. So yeah, here's your manifold disconnected. There's a gasket. You can take that off now. You can take it off later. Now I see this thing here, this bracket connected to the head. So that's gonna have to come off. Also, maybe this one here. Oh, definitely this one. Right here. That comes off. I'm not sure about this one. We'll see once I get there. So this one here is a 14 millimeter. This videoing thing, man, I don't know how these YouTubers do it. It's a lot harder than I thought. That's loose enough. Now 12 is right here. Right there. Let's turn this. 12. I'll move this aside. I'll move this aside and put this right back there so I don't lose it or forget where it goes. So that's one. Now back to the 14 millimeter. It's loose enough. Do it by hand. Can we do the same thing? Move it to the side. Yes, we can. Put the bolt right back in its place so we don't lose it or forget where it goes. So there you go. There you have it. That's that. That's that. I'm still not sure about this one. If I need to take it off, I'll come back and remove it. What about that right there? Let's go ahead and remove it since I'm already down here. That's a 14. Okay. This goes there. That's for my reference, so I don't forget. This is me reminding myself. This bolt goes right here. Yeah, that seems like that's about it. Again, except for that one, which I'm not sure about. We'll see. All right. So that's pretty much it for under the car. Now we go outside. I mean, not outside. Get out from under the car.